Greetings, wonderful viewers, and welcome to Just Facts, your veritable hub for the riveting world of facts, specifically curated for your enlightenment and enjoyment. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating universe of feline nutrition, ensuring that our beloved whiskered companions are not just fed, but nourished in every sense of the word. Stick with us as we unveil the top 5 facts about cats and nutrition that might just surprise you. Fact 1. Rabbit as a prized protein source. Diving into our first fact, let's discuss rabbits, not as the cuddly pets we adore, but as a notable protein source for cats. The lean meat from rabbits is not just a bundle of proteins, it's also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin B12, niacin, B3, and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining your cat's optimal health. For cats allergic to conventional meat sources, rabbit meat serves as a fantastic alternative. This is especially prevalent in certain specialty diets, targeting issues from obesity to food allergies. The low-fat content ensures your feline maintains a healthy weight while also absorbing critical nutrients. However, it's pivotal to remember that while rabbit meat can be a wholesome addition, it should always be adequately cooked to prevent any bacterial transmission. Fact 2. Zucchini, a green, safe treat. Treading into the vegetative realm, zucchinis stand out as a secure and beneficial snack for our feline friends. Despite being obligate carnivores, a small portion of zucchini in your cat's diet can offer a plethora of benefits. Packed with essential nutrients like beta-carotene, potassium, and manganese, zucchini aids in maintaining healthy fur and robust feline cardiovascular health. Its high water and fiber content also assist in hydrating and facilitating smooth digestion in cats. Always serve it cooked, pureed, or finely grated, ensuring no choking hazards while simultaneously providing a fun, crunchy snack. Fact 3. Raw shellfish, a potential culinary hazard. Navigating further, raw shellfish, despite being a culinary delight for humans, underscores a looming threat for our kitties due to the potential presence of harmful toxins and bacteria. The risk of transmitting diseases like salmonella or inducing shellfish toxicity is significantly heightened when served raw. Consequently, this is a stern warning for all cat parents to be cautious and avoid offering raw shellfish, prioritizing their furry friends' safety and well-being over culinary experimentation. Always consult with your vet about safe dietary introductions. Fact 4. Alcohol, a dire threat to feline wellness. Alcohol in cats? A toxic concoction indeed. The inclusion of any alcoholic substance in a cat's diet is an unequivocal menace, posing a severe, potentially fatal threat. Even a seemingly harmless small dose of alcohol can induce a hazardous scenario, affecting their liver and brain exponentially more than it impacts humans. Recognizing the signs of alcohol poisoning, which can span from vomiting to lethal respiratory issues, is vital and warrants immediate veterinary intervention. Fact 5. Taurine, an indispensable amino acid. Unveiling our final fact, let's converse about taurine, a pivotal amino acid that reigns supreme in the kingdom of feline nutrition. Unlike other species, cats lack the ability to manufacture taurine internally. Thus, incorporating it through diet becomes indispensable. Taurine plays a quintessential role in bile salt formation, visual wellness, cardiac functionality, and even reproductive health among cats. A deficiency can spell catastrophic consequences, ranging from heart diseases to blindness, underscoring its indispensable nature in their diet. Embarking on this journey, we've demystified pivotal aspects that intricately weave into the fabric of feline nutrition, reminding us that what they consume is not mere food, but fuel, operating their wonderfully agile and spirited beings. Thank you for joining us in today's enlightening expedition into feline nutrition. If you found these facts compelling and insightful, please grace us with a like and share this knowledge with other feline aficionados. Do subscribe and activate notifications by ringing the bell, ensuring you stay updated with our future episodes, unveiling facts that are just as they are, pure, unadulterated, and insightful, only at Just Facts. Remember to validate every dietary shift for your cats with a vet, ensuring safe and constructive transitions. Thank you for choosing Just Facts to deepen your understanding, ensuring every fact transcends from being just a fact to becoming a valuable insight.